Tiger Dumpsters is your go-to source for top-tier dumpster rental in Boston, Massachusetts. With a reputation for excellence and a commitment to unparalleled service, we are here to roar into action and revolutionize waste handling. We don't kitten around with wimpy solutions, we bring the roar you need to conquer that clutter and get back on track fast. At Tiger Dumpsters, we understand that efficiency is critical regarding waste management. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of all shapes and sizes. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing prompt, professional service from start to finish, ensuring that your waste disposal needs are met quickly and precisely. We are dedicated to providing the highest quality service at competitive prices, and we're here to ensure your waste disposal experience is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. When you choose Tiger Dumpsters, you can trust that you're getting the best in the business. Take charge of your Boston project and send that junk packing. Call Tiger Dumpsters now at 781-665-7017 or visit our website at www.tigerdumpsterma.com to browse our dumpster selection and book your rental. No more wasting time or energy on trash. Conquer that mess with Tiger Dumpsters, Boston's waste removal solution.